I found an absolutely radical place for you guys. You told me to check out Turtles Pizza, and here I am. This spot is a total must-visit for anyone who grew up in the 80s or 90s, or just loves the Ninja Turtles. The place is packed with toys, collectibles, and all kinds of turtle-themed stuff. They even have their own merchandise. And of course, pizza.
It's scarfing time!
What I really loved is that each pizza is named after a character. I went with the Michelangelo.
It's not possible.
A big one, obviously. I tried a slice right there, and it was honestly delicious. A perfect mix between Neapolitan and Roman style. Solid 10 out of 10. Why only one slice, you ask? Because the pizza box is a collectible itself. It's got this awesome design with all the turtles' colors, and even Shredder.
It's Shredder!
So if you remember the cartoon and love pizza, trust me, you've got to check this place out.